Have you ever wondered how your phone app talks to the internet? Like when you watch a YouTube video, order food on Uber Eats, check weather, or scroll Instagram? Something magical is happening behind the scenes. Apps are talking to servers, but how? The answer is Restful API. And don't worry, it sounds hard, but today you will understand it in the easiest way possible. First, let's understand API. API equals Application Programming Interface. But let's make it simple. Think of API as a waiter in a restaurant. You are a customer, user. You don't go into the kitchen. You tell the waiter, I want a burger. The waiter goes to the kitchen, takes your order, and brings food back. We can understand as like, the waiter is API. You are app or user, and kitchen is server, where data lives.
So API is just a messenger between app and server. Now, REST stands for Representational State Transfer. Don't panic. You don't need to memorize this. Just understand this. REST is a set of rules for APIs. It tells how apps should talk to servers in a simple and standard way. So now combine both. Restful API means API that follows REST rules. It is like clean, simple, organized, easy communication between apps and servers. RESTful APIs use HTTP methods. These methods are like website actions. Let's understand them with examples. You open Instagram and see posts. Your app sends, give me posts. Server replies, here are your posts. This is called GET_REQUEST. GET_REQUEST is like reading data. Next, if you upload a photo on Instagram, app sends, here is a new post. Server says, okay, I saved it. This is called post request. Post request is like creating new data.
After that, you need to change your profile picture. App says, update my profile image. This is called put request. The put request is like updating full data. Likewise, you change only your username. If you need small updates, this type of request method is called patch. Sometimes it happens you post wrong photo on Instagram, so you want to delete it. App sends delete my post. Server acts upon your request. This type of request method is called delete method. Let's make it super easy with food ordering. Imagine Uber Eats app. You do this. Open app, see restaurants. This is get request. Order pizza. This is post request. Change order size. This put or patch request. Cancel order. This is delete request. So every action you do in apps is actually REST API working behind the scenes. RESTful APIs also use URLs. For example, this is URL. It may be actions. The method is get. It fetch all users. This method is post. It add new user. The method is put. It updates the user record. The method is delete. It deletes the user record. So same URL, different action. That is REST power. You use REST APIs every day without knowing. When you use YouTube, Instagram, Google Maps, play games, or checking weather conditions, all of them talk to servers using REST APIs. So keep in mind, these are main actions. So next time you open an app, remember, there are thousands of RESTful APIs working behind the scenes just to make your app work smoothly. If you liked this video, keep learning, because APIs are the backbone of modern apps and websites. Goodbye.